Hi everybody, tbartz here, McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news update and information, including your Maverick information on a Monday. And had fun last week doing a video on that 12.3 inch, no 13.2 inch, 13.2 inch touchscreen there in the center stack that's standard on every Maverick, by the way. And had a couple people had posted some other questions about some other how-to things when it comes to some of the settings in the radio and everything. So I thought, let's do a part 2 to this for this week, and let's talk about some of the other things that are also some of the other. We'll get into more of how to like set different things in the radio, especially for those that ask for that, and some of the other things. So we'll get into more how-to videos in this. Or more instructional stuff on how to do certain things. So I thought we'd just play around with the radio again and learn a little bit more this week as well. If you guys don't mind, make sure you subscribe, bell notification turn on so you don't miss any of these Maverick videos. Got a whole row of Mavericks behind me available. We have ours marked down right now. If you're looking to get a Maverick, and we especially have really good deals on these 2024s. About 30 of these available in different colors of these, and we have them marked down. We're $1,250 below the employee pricing. So we're A-plan minus. So Ford says you can't go above A-plan, but we can go below, and that's what we've done. So I'm gonna slide it down here. This doesn't have a wireless charging pad, but it is a nice place to put your phone right down in there. We're gonna put that down there. It should be connected up. So I did. There we go, we are connected. I did that earlier. We're not gonna go into Android Auto right now. So I'm not activating that, but I am connected. So if you looked at that, go to my phone list here. Oh, there you go. So you guys can see, I am connected phone audio, but not with the Android Auto. So that's not connected. So you can connect your phone without using Android Auto, and that's what we're doing here. And again, climate control right through here. We got some climate coming through. All right, so we got that in there. Fan speed right here. We'll go up 1 notch. Just need a little bit of air right there. Now that will collapse on its own. You don't have to necessarily touch it, and it's gonna do that. Now, on your home screen, like we talked about last week, here's your radio source, your phone source, and then your settings, features, and apps. And we're going to talk a little bit more about this. Let's go into audio first, because this was something that somebody had a question on. They want to know how to set these settings. Now, first, what I want to show you is there's 2 little dashes under here. See, there's one that's blue. Oh, darn it. Didn't mean to do that. Turn that down. There's a little blue, and then there's another little dash. That means I can slide that over and get 5 more. Is it 5 or 6? 6 more. So there's 12. So I have 12. I have 6 settings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. And they do on purpose, like halfway cut off one of them, so that you know there's another one you can swipe. But you can't see those little dashes down below there. Now you can get even more than that. So we're going to go back here for just a second, and we're going to go to settings. And we're going to go to radio settings. And you can see presetting pages right there. Click that little arrow. You can have 2 sets of presetting pages, 3, 4, and even 5 sets of presetting pages. So if I do that, and then I go back to the home page and go into radio, now you can see there's 5 dashes along there, right? So, all right, so let's say here I have the radio on. Right, and any of these anything I can do. So right now the source is on radio. I can do Sirius XM. Again, you'd have to pay for a subscription, but let's say I do pay for the subscription, and let's say that I want to go to a different channel. Let's say I want to go to Show Tunes, right? And I want to save this as a presetting. All I have to do is press and hold one of these buttons wherever I decide I want to put it. Let's say I want to put it here. So I press and I hold it. Now it's set. Now it's right there. So I can go to this radio setting and go to this. Now you'll see there's a combination. This doesn't have to be, they're not separate. In the past, Ford actually had AM presets, FM presets, and Sirius presets. They've combined them all into one. So you could be here enjoying Sirius Satellite, and let's say your favorite game local team is playing and they're on 97.5. I can just click over to that, and then it's going to start playing the 97.5. which is a local FM station right here, Power Hits 97.5. Anyway, you can do that. That's how easy it is to do that. Now, if you're on the radio and you want to try to find a station, just hit this little button right here. It's like fast forward button, and it's going to go to the next good radio station it can get into reception. It'll skip all the others. So you can see now it went to 99.9, and then if I do it again, it goes to 101. So it skipped a bunch until it got to one that was a good station for it to do. Then you're on that station again, then you can just press and hold, and now that station is in my pre-settings right there. So real easy to do. Or you can go to the Sirius as well. Now, here's real cool because this is the 360L. If you're like listening to this and have it connected to your phone and you have the Sirius app, right, you can actually listen to stuff. You can also, because you have the 360L, I can pause that song right there. Let's say I'm ordering something through the drive-thru. I go through the drive-thru. That takes me a little while, but I wanted to, maybe it was a podcast or maybe it was a song you really like. You can pause it, and then when you're done, hit play, and you can start playing. Now, if you want it to go to live, you just hit that fast forward, and now we're live, and so it shows you that we're live. So that's pretty cool, and that's something you can do. Also on these, see these little notification bells? So you got that there. You can notify that song or the artist, right? So you can do that. Now I'm going to close it. I'm not going to do that, but that is something you can get notifications if you like a certain, let's say you like a certain artist or a certain song. You can then hit that, and that's going to save that favorite. So when it comes on any station in Sirius XM, it'll actually pop a notification and say that song or that artist is playing on this other station. Do you want to go over to it? And it'll let you do that. It's kind of cool. Also, this little bell. Let's see, what is that? Oh, that's your sound setting. So that's a quick, fast way of getting into being able to set the tone, the balance and fade. So let's say kids are in the back and you just want to move that audio up, and I want to move it right to me, right? There's no one else, or maybe there's other people, but I'm wanting to listen to the game and they're doing whatever they're doing in the back. I can set that audio there. So you can move that balance and fade to wherever it was. I can also hit reset, takes it right back to that. That's how that works. Speed compensated volume, that means when you start going faster, it's going to adjust your volume for going on the highway. So wind noise tends to be a little harder here. You can set those in different, you can do that, or you can just leave it off. So you can do that as well. Occupant mode, all seats, or just the driver, like we adjusted it earlier. But there you go, that's those settings. You can get to it there. You can also get to it through your settings. If I click into settings and then I go to sound, they're right there as well. So that was just a quick, fast way of getting there if you're needing to. All right, let's go back. Let's see, is there anything else I want to talk about with that? Yes, and there's some other things. Source, browse. I can hit browse, and I can say, hey, what do I want? I want sports right now. You can do NFL play-by-play. You can get into find more. There's so many stations on SiriusXM. A great way to narrow that down to get into whatever you might want to, whether it be talk, whether it be music, right? And then the type of music you want, right? And you can narrow that down to whatever it might be. So you can do that as well. So great way of doing that. So all right. So I think that might be everything on that. So yes. So there you go. So I think that's all that on the sort for that. Now FM, I think there's less things. You do have the sound. Again, sound takes you right into that. So even on the FM, it allows you to just quickly get into that as well. You can direct tune as well if you want like 98, and it only gives you what they can get. 98.5, enter, takes you right there to it, right? And I don't even think that station is available, but so there you go. Then you can also directly, if I want to go 99.9, I hit this plus, it's going to take me to 100.1, right? So you can go through it that way as well, whatever works for you. So that's all I have. I think that's all I have on this video. I'm going to delete my phone off of here. But yeah, that's it. So hopefully you guys got something out of this, and you're having a great Maverick Monday yourself. Make sure you're subscribed, bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of these videos. Smash that like button if you learned something. If I touch something in this video, smash that like button for me, and that really helps out. Lets people know that it's something that they might find informative as well. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys are enjoying your Mavericks, or you have one coming real soon to you. And I think you'll enjoy it. And good little pickup truck. Have a great day. Stay positive. Be kind to one another. Be kind to yourself. And we'll see you in the next video.